What's up, y'all? This is Charm Siobhan, and we're doing another meal prep video today. We're first going to start off with some asparagus, which is my go-to favorite vegetable for meal prep. And what I do, simply cut off the ends. These are pretty big. I normally don't get thick asparagus like this. I tend to just go towards the ones that's very, very thin. But I don't know. So we're just going to rock with it. So I'm just going to cut off majority of the ends and keep the head. So then we're going to put it on the pan and we're going to season it. Alright, now let's move to the salmon. I say salmon. I know a lot of people correct me, but I just say salmon. I'm gonna cut it into pieces because again we are meal prepping. So those are the seasoning. Now let me just say this. You do not have to use too much seasoning. My main seasonings are salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic salt. Everything else, I do use oregano flakes. Everything else is optional. You really don't need too much. I definitely use teriyaki, marinade, and so with that alone puts all the flavoring you need on your salmon. And I do cook with the skin on. That's also optional because you don't have to. If you want to save a step, you definitely can cut or peel the skin off the salmon before cooking it. However, if it's frozen, I just put it in the pan, let it get a little soft, pull it, and then I'll flip it to refry that side again. FYI. Alright, let's move on to the peppers. I do use sweet peppers with almost anything. So we're just going to cut this up right here. I already cut up, I believe those are the onions over there. So basically, you just want to cut off the top, go around the seeds in the middle, and then we're going to add that to our pan. on to the teriyaki. I definitely am going to record another updated version of how I do this because I no longer put the teriyaki and all the, marinade in a bowl. What I do is the peppers, onions, and all of that, they go into the pan. And then on top of the salmon, and just marinate in that. And then I put the teriyaki sauce over that in the pan already frying. So I no longer do this step, but we're going to rock with it. I'm going to record a updated one. So just be on the lookout for that. So here is the teriyaki marinade. I'm adding honey to this, some coconut water, and I'm putting the peppers and onions in the bowl. So I think I know what I was doing here. I definitely baked my salmon, and I don't think I showed that in the video, but that's what I used to do. I no longer do that. I use the air fryer now, but like I said, I'll go ahead and update you guys on a more recent way of how I do this. But so after I did the teriyaki and all of that, I poured it over top of the salmon and then I baked it. So yeah, this is the meal prep part. I do have glass Tupperware because I would like to put this in the oven, which is a safer way than heating it up in the microwave. So we have our asparagus, we have our rice, and now I'm putting the salmon on top of the rice. This wraps up today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please look out for more videos and content and more meal prep videos. Also comment down below, how do you make it? Do you make it frying first and then the oven, or vice versa? I want to know, so let me know. All right, y'all. Bye.